Welcome to Kalavasos Village.
This is the sweets that when we had guests in the house, this is what we was treating them.
Right.
I remember my mother, my grandmother, everyone, they were hiding this because it was only sweet and they didn't want the kids. At that time we didn't have chocolate or let's say bakeries like now that kids eat sweet all the time. Yeah. So I remember my mother was hitting them this because this was a special treat for our guests. In Cyprus, because we have a lot of fruits, and due to the poverty, people didn't want to waste anything.
Yeah.
So we take the peel of the fruit, then we put the skin in water so the bitterness will go out.
Right.
And we change the water every day. And after 3 or 4 days, we cook this with sugar.
All right.
And after it's ready, the syrup is ready, we put real lemon juice as preservative, and that's it. Come and see Kalavasos because it's a very nice village and a lot of people don't know it.
Hey everyone, we are here in Kalavasos football field and look at that view. This is the bridge that you cross to get to the village of Kalavasos, and under us is the river of Vasilikos. Kalavasos Village was once a copper mining area. The remains are still seen here. This train was used for carrying the workers and the copper.
We're in the central square of the village and we made a stop for some traditional Cypriot coffee. Cheers.
Cheers. We are here in Kalavasos Village. It's our second day here and we came to George Tavern so we can eat some traditional Cyprus breakfast. The breakfast includes some bacon, olives, of course eggs, a tomato, cucumber, ham, cheese, a traditional
Halloumi cheese.
Yes. Some bread, of course, marmalade, and some butter.
Looks amazing.
So as we say here in Cyprus, Kali Oreksi. So we are heading in Michalis Mozoras' house. It's an art gallery. He works with stones and he makes beautiful art. Here you can see a mine. You can see the tracks there. There was a train passing from here, picking up stones and copper, so we can transfer them away from here. definitely worth it visiting Kalavasos for the weekend. We had a lovely time here. We stayed in Charalambos Holiday Cottage. It was beautiful, relaxing, and the people here were great.